Welcome to Module 3 of Managing Your Priorities. This program is appropriate for first-level and emerging leaders. When you are ready, click Next to begin this module. The learning outcome of this module is to introduce a framework for managing priorities. When you are ready, click Next to continue. Let's take a look at a resource that you will be using for the remainder of this course. Turn to a framework for managing priorities in your participant guide. You deliver the results you are accountable for. By achieving your priorities, that effort takes two core capabilities: managing your individual focus, and managing the requests you receive for your time and talents. Managing focus is your ability to sustain the clarity, energy, and attention you need to achieve your priorities. But you don't work alone, so you also need to manage the many requests you receive. That takes efficient dialogue to learn more about a request, negotiate the terms of a request, ask for help or advice to fulfill a request, and sometimes gracefully decline a request. When you are ready, click Next to continue. Let's debrief. The Framework for Managing Your Priorities worksheet is designed to help you manage your focus and requests. Start by managing your focus by gaining clarity, energy, attention. Learn to manage your requests by learning more about the request. Negotiate the terms of the request. Ask for help or advice to fulfill a request. Decline gracefully, if needed. When you are ready, click Next to continue. Great job! Now we'll turn to the skills and strategies for managing your individual focus as well as the many requests for your time, energy, and talents. We start by managing our focus. Click the X in the top right-hand corner to exit the